If you are looking for a wearable that tracks health metrics and records activities but find smartwatch screens distracting, then the new Garmin CIRQA Smart Band is the perfect choice for you. In this video, we will cover the features and basic operation of the Garmin CIRQA Smart Band. Despite having no screen, it features the same heart rate monitor as our standard watches, providing all-day monitoring for your heart rate, stress, sleep, and pulse ox. It also tracks steps in various indoor and outdoor activities, providing detailed analysis like training effect and training status. The CIRQA Smart Band is available in 4 colors, and each color comes in 2 sizes. The sensor size is the same, and the difference is only in the length of the nylon band. You can refer to our official website for wrist size guidelines, or try one on in a store before you decide. The module is detachable from the band. If you want to wash the band, please be sure to remove the module first. Push the quick release pins on both ends toward the opposite side to take it off. You can hand wash the band in cold water with a little mild detergent, and then leave it in a shaded area to air dry. If you use a washing machine, we recommend placing the band in a laundry bag and setting it to a delicate cycle. Please avoid using bleach or detergents that contain harsh chemicals, fabric softener, bleach, or abrasive materials. When reattaching the module, remember to keep the heart rate sensor facing your skin to ensure it fits properly. If you prefer not to wear it on your wrist, you can purchase an optional armband in 2 sizes to wear it on your arm. Whether on your wrist or arm, just ensure the sensor is flush against your skin and the band is not too tight for reliable and accurate measurements. The CIRQA Smart Band features a single button with an LED indicator on the opposite side. To power it on for the first time, press the button once and the LED will flash purple to indicate pairing mode. Scan the QR code on the packaging or download the Garmin Connect app from your phone's app store. After signing in, the app will search for your device. You can also tap Add Device in the upper right corner and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the pairing. Different LED patterns represent different device statuses. Beyond the flashing purple for pairing mode, the device flashes green while charging, and glows solid green when finished. A flashing red light indicates a pairing error or another error has occurred. You may need to reset the module in the Garmin Connect app. You can also double tap the module at any time to check the battery status. A solid green light means full, orange means low, and red means critically low. Please refer to the owner's manual to learn more about the LED status lights. Once paired with the app, you can view the battery status and daily health stats in Garmin Connect. You can also tap the device icon in the upper right corner to access and adjust various features. For example, you can set alarms, enable pulse ox, adjust step and intensity minutes goals, or manage alerts. You can also go to User Profile to update your personal information, wearing location, and sleep schedule. When needed, you can go to System to reset or power off the device, check for updates, or confirm the software version in the About section. To record an activity with the CIRQA Smart Band, simply press the button once, and the device will vibrate and flash green to indicate it is started. When you are finished, press the button again. It will vibrate and flash red to indicate the activity is saved. The device will sync the activity to the Garmin Connect app via Bluetooth and save it as a timed activity by default. You can rename the activity, or select Activity Options, then select Edit to change it from the default activity type to your preferred sport. For outdoor activities, as the device does not have built-in GPS, it uses connected GPS via the Garmin Connect app on your phone. Please ensure your device stays connected to your phone during the activity to record a complete GPS track. Another benefit of keeping the connection is that you can start activities directly from the Garmin Connect app. Simply go to your device page in the app, select Record an Activity, choose your activity type, and tap Start Recording. When you are finished, just tap Stop and save. In short, as long as the device is connected, you can start or stop activities from either the device or the app. The CIRQA Smart Band can also detect activities automatically. It relies on movement patterns and physiological data to detect activities. When you start moving and maintain it for a while, the Garmin Connect app may display a notification after you finish. You can open the notification to review the activity data and decide whether to save or discard it. For any incorrectly detected activity, you can edit the type to help the device improve its accuracy for future sessions. If you want to ensure every activity is captured, we recommend starting them manually. Or, if you prefer not to use this feature, you can disable auto detection in the health and wellness settings. To sum up, the CIRQA Smart Band is a lightweight wearable without a screen that you can wear as a wristband or an armband. It can track your health and record your activities with ease. If you're looking for a smart wearable but not a smartwatch, then the CIRQA Smart Band is the one for you.